Yo guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to be going over sneaker releases from May 13th to May 19th. So let's get into it real quick. Alright, so the first shoe is the Cactus Flea Market Vapor Max. These are coming out on the 15th and they are retailing for $250. The lowest price on these right now is $625 in size 6.5. Definitely recommend going for higher sizes, 10.5 plus. Because this is a women's shoe and you want to be able to sell to as many men as possible. Size 12 right now is selling for around $1,100. So if you get these instant come up, definitely a must cop if you're trying to resell, or if you like the shoe, it's a very nice shoe by itself. Next shoe up, coming out on the 16th, is the Crimson Tint in a lot of the EU sites. So this isn't really anything special. If you can get maybe a 7.5, you can make $10-15, but it's not really worth anyone's time. These are not reselling very well at all. Most sizes are going under retail, and everything else you can pretty much pick up on Foot Locker already. The next shoe out is the Jordan 12 Retro Women's. It's the black Jordan 12. These are coming in at $190 on the 17th, and I don't see very high potential for resale, mainly because of the high price tag, and Jordans aren't the best at reselling, especially 12. And the last shoe up for this week is the Kids Yeezy Clay V2. These are coming out on May 18th, and the infant sizes are retailing for $140 and the kids are retailing for $160. The preschool sizes are reselling right now for around $220 to $290. You have to really research what sizes you want out of these. The toddler sizes are selling for around $305 to $350, so definitely cop on those. With the low retail and the pretty high resell in comparison to it, definitely a must cop for these. Or you can even hang them as dice and like a back mirror, which I'm probably gonna do if I get them. This is a dry week for sneaker reselling, but there still is profit to be made if you buy the right things in the right sizes. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and until next time, I'm out.